Hello everyone, it's me again. I went live on the wrong page today, but thank goodness I have some wonderful team members who let me know. They're like, Kylie, I think you went live on the wrong page. Yes, I did go live on the wrong page today. So I thought I'll jump on. If you saw my live today already, then this is going to be a repeat. So you don't have to watch. However, I did want to make sure that everyone got to see it and that I'll be sending this video to my VIPs and putting it on YouTube as well. Konnichiwa, Kuniko-san. Konbanwa. Welcome, jump on in. Put a comment so I know I can see you all. Hey, Jenna, good. Hello. I know, me again. My face. Like, oh no, Kylie's on live again. So the first thing that you've already been updated on, most of you, but you probably have gone around and had a look. I hope you have. But the Stamparatus Stampin' Up blog hop. So this was my project for that hop today. Konnichiwa, kunigo. Genki desu ka? So yes, it was very, very good to be part of that hop. It's my first official Stampin' Up project or collaborative sort of project with others. Hello from the Netherlands. Oh, hello, Corinne. Good to see you. So I was very excited to be part of this blog hop and to be part of something amazing with all the other people that were on the hop as well. So this was my project. Make sure you head over to my blog, craftykylie.com. Oh, thank you, Mel. And I did a video as well. I'm very nervous when I do videos that I record. I'm much better live. So I think a few times I was like, ugh, I have to start again. Or I had to like edit bits out. Some of it I just left. I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to even edit that. I'm just going to run with it because that's what I would normally do on my live videos. So I think I have to be a little bit less picky on myself when I record it. I have to just pretend it's live and just keep going. But I do enjoy live. I get a buzz from all of you commenting. Yes, I agree, Linda. Some beautiful, beautiful cards in that hop. So make sure you keep that, save that as a resource for when you're thinking of something to do with your Stamparatus. You want to know a technique or how to do something. It's a brilliant hop to be able to go back to and refer to. So that was, yeah, very exciting to be part of that. And I'm sure Stampin' Up will be highlighting it, which is a real privilege for all of us to be part of that. So very, very excited. I was very nervous. I was like, oh my goodness, what do I make? What will be good enough? And even now I'm like, oh, I don't know if it's good enough. But anyway, I tried my best and I actually took the colors from the new annual catalogue. Even though the Emerald Envy is going, you could definitely swap it over for the Call Me Clover. And there's also going to be the Shaded Spruce as well. That was the colour in the catalogue. Instead of Lemon Lime Twist, in the catalogue it has the Granny Apple Green. So yeah, and Blushing Bride instead of the Powder Pink. So it was kind of a take on a new designer series paper that's coming up. It's funny, Mel, I'm fine when I'm in control, but suddenly when it was a Stampin' Up official one, I'm like, it's official. And it's no different to any other blog that we ever do, but it's interesting when you sort of push yourself, and that's a good thing. I'm really happy when I feel like that because it means I'm out of my comfort zone, I'm not in my usual space, and I think that's a really good thing to do, is to push ourselves. We all have our thing that pushes us. It's like technology, maybe like trying to do a MailChimp newsletter or pick up the phone and call a customer. We all have our thing. So I have some other exciting news. When I told you this morning I had a new recruit, well, today's the best day ever because I got another recruit. So I had both Jackie and Jenny join today. Thank you both very much. I can't wait to welcome you to the Crazy Crafters team. So clearly Jenny found my other video and she's like, what's this? I can add the gotta have it all bundle to my starter kit. Tell me more. I want to join. And I'm like, yay. So I'm very happy for both of those wonderful women because both Jackie and Jenny have saved themselves a small fortune. Yeah, I know. On just a random Friday. Look at that. 2 new people. Technically challenged for Rosalie. So this is the beautiful Gotta Have It All bundle, which I talked about in my last video that I put in the wrong place, but we won't talk about that. So this bundle here is $222.75. Sorry, I'm missing a little bit of nail. It came off today. I was making flourless chocolate cake today. I know. We're going to a friend's place tomorrow night, and as I'm baking, I'm like, oh, no. That'll be fixed before next time. It looks like I'm telling you, behave, all right? So this is the Gotta Have It All bundle. I'll go like that. I'll go. Other hand. I'll use my other hand. So $222.75. If you join, it's only $169. So we worked out with postage, you save yourself about $60 by getting it on your starter kit. So it's really, really good. Even if you're from another country, go and talk to your demonstrator. Even if you're in Australia, talk to the demonstrator you order with and go, you know what? I know I'm going to end up getting that I Want It All bundle because it's so good. The Gotta Have It All bundle is the only bundle that has the designer series paper, and the only bundle that has this embossing folder as well. Plus, it's the only one that has this beautiful Statement of the Heart stamp set that you get free. So there's a lot of good reasons to get the Gotta Have It All bundle. This is the beautiful designer series paper. Look how much paper is in there. There's actually 48 sheets, which is double the usual. No, sorry, 24 sheets. Normally it's 12 sheets, but they're double-sided. So this pack here, if you did a full card front, like my ones here, that I will pick up for you. I should remember to keep these on the desk. I keep referring to them. But these ones here, if you did a full sheet, you'll get 144 cards. Yes, 144 cards from this. And the sentiment that I used is actually in this bundle as well. So this is the Love What You Do stamp set that I used, and these beautiful flowers here, which you've probably seen quite a number of times. So they just make absolutely stunning cards, this designer series paper. And so much so that probably some of you have seen my Kmart shelves. Oh, thank you. I know I'm very excited about 2 new team members. I'm very happy for them too. They're smart women. So this is my $12 Kmart shelf. All I did was pull out the drawer and then use my pen and just drew around the outside and then cut it by hand. Yes, I did some fussy cutting and just glued it down with Tombow. I didn't lacquer it or anything like that. It's just raw and, yeah, simple, easy. And then this part here, I just measured it and then put it inside. I knew the measurement from the inside would be accurate. And I even put it on top too. And just measured that and stuck it down. And yeah, that's my shelves. So that's using the Share What You Love designer series paper that only comes in the Gotta Have It All bundle. So we know that you're all going to get the Gotta Get It All bundle, right? We all know that. I know, it's so beautiful. And I think I showed everyone this morning, I opened up my drawer because some people have said, what are you going to use it for? And I'm going to use this drawer for my new cards. And I went to open it and the new card was showing. But I'm a bit smarter this time. I've turned it upside down. So I have some new cards that I've been designing this week. And then this one is going to be for all my Random Act of Kindness cards, which have found their way in here. The ones that I still need to show on my video. So I'll be showing these on Monday. You get a sneak peek of Tanya's Random Act of Kindness card to me. So that's my little drawer. That will stay on my desk and I'll get to stare at that paper all day, every day. I'm very happy about that. So that's that Share What You Love designer series paper. The other thing that comes with the Gotta Have It All bundle, that only comes with that bundle, is this special embossing folder. So it's called the Lovely Floral. Now you may not be able to see it properly, so I'll show you some samples that I made with the lovely Floral. Ta-da! So I used the debossed side, which is the embossing the opposite way, and then just did some sponging. I have a video on that, so go over to my blog and have a look, or ask me and I'll post the video. But it was very, very simple to do, and you can see that that embossing folder is just absolutely stunning. I've seen it even used behind cards with the paper. Why is it thicker? Good question, Alison. I forgot to mention that. It is quite a bit thicker, this paper. And the reason for that is it's the type of paper that you're going to want to make 3D boxes out of. You're going to want to do lots of different things. And if the paper is a little bit thin, then the boxes won't hold. So this way you can use it for paper like you would normally use it for paper. It's not going to change your cards or just make them feel a little bit heavier. They'll just feel more, yeah, just nicer. I don't think it will detract from it at all. But then you'll be able to, yeah, make some boxes too. Do 3D projects. Because people love all the 3D cards now. Boxes. If you go over to Poodle's blog, who I hopped with today, she's got heaps and heaps of different boxes that she makes. I even got lip gloss boxes. I got boxes for my beautiful shower cap. I even got a box from my beautiful customer, which I'll be showing this on Monday too. I'm trying not to eat it all, but look at this. Look, how beautiful are these? And so in this instance, you can see that there's cardstock that's been used with the DSP on the front. I mean, she could have done the whole thing with the designer series paper as well, but at least with the Love What You Share, you can do the whole thing in the paper, the whole box. You don't have to have cardstock. Thank you, Charlene. I love my gift. She's so cute. How nice when a customer sends you a gift like that with chocolates and everything. I was like, seriously, I should be sending you presents. Yes, she's amazing, Poodles. So the other thing that comes with the Gotta Have It All bundle was this stamp set. That's a freebie, and it only comes with that one. I'll make sure. Yes, that's the only one it comes with, is with the Gotta Have It All. So that's a really special sentiment, because I think it sums up pretty much every person on the planet who loves craft, because we do love sharing our creativity and we love making a difference. So that one's really good. And then we've got the Make a Difference stamp set, which I've seen some incredible personalised projects. I think Sarah Berry just put up something today for her team and she put their names on it. I thought that's amazing. Like, how cool is that to be able to actually put this together and do something personalised for your team or customers. So that's really nice. And then also this little box here with goodies in it. This is one of the freebies that comes with the bundle. So the bundle is definitely the way to go. So if you know that you're going to end up getting the Gotta Have It All bundle, you do have options, but you're going to miss out on the paper. You'll miss out on the embossing folder. You'll miss out on the freebies. And this stamp set is not going to be available for purchase in the new catalogue. Everything else will be available June. But, you know, who wants to wait till June? We want it all now. So that is what some of my lovely customers have done. They've decided, you know what? I'm going to join. I'm going to get it at a discount. They saved themselves $60 by doing it through their kit, their joining link, and got to add it. So it's a brilliant win-win for everyone. I know, so good. Love it. Chop it. And here are the doilies and the pearls too. I almost forgot them last time too. There we go. There's the doilies. And there's the beautiful artisan pearls that come in the kit as well. So it's a beautiful, beautiful kit. And this ribbon. It's a velvet ribbon. Rich raspberry velvet ribbon. So lots of beautiful things to look forward to. You can wait till May. But if you wait till May, you won't be able to get the discount That's all. And you'll have to pay postage too. Up to you. I know the two girls today are very smart. First thing I said to them when I emailed them, I'm like, you smart women, you're clever women, you know how to save money. And you're not locked in if you join. You are not locked in any way. You can leave at any time. You don't have to sell. You don't have to do anything. And I'm not going to put you under any pressure. All I do with my girls is just let them know when they're close to their rewards. I let them know when they can get freebies because, you know, I don't like it when I almost missed out on a few things. So I like to let my team know exactly what they can benefit from. So, yeah, that's me. Re-recorded. And I had an absolute ball this afternoon. I did go to my afternoon tea with the lovely Mrs. Reynolds. She's so beautiful, 87. She cooked us a fruit tart and some peanut butter cookies, and we had tea. And you should have seen me, I was having my cup of tea, and I said to her, oh, this china looks so beautiful. Where did you get your china from? And she goes, it was my mother's. And I'm like, I don't want to break it. Because I'm like, she's 87. It was her mother's china. I'm like, this is really old china. I was like, be very careful as I was taking it to the sink. But yes, it was a lovely afternoon. We got to spend a couple of hours with her and hearing her stories, where she's lived in her life, and it was very sweet. She showed us her craft too. She did wedding cakes, and I'd never heard of it before, but it was, I can't even think of the name now, but it's a special metal that she used chemicals on. Anyway, I can't think of it now. Burnishing? Anyway, I forget. But she's actually quite creative. So I said to her, oh, well, I'll have to bring my cards over for you to have a look at. I did make her a card. I was very good. I made her a card to thank her. One of my beautiful Share What You Love cards, actually. So yes, it was a nice afternoon. We had a great time. And thank you for everyone letting me know that I was on the wrong page. Typical Kylie. Posting on the wrong page, but anyway, I can remove the other one now and put this one up. But thank you all for joining me today. I'll be back on Monday with my random act of kindness. Oh, Bruno's here.
Hello.
Hi, do you have something to say?
Hello, everybody. That's all.
Huh.
No. The oven's beeping. Do you want me to turn it off?
Oh, yes, please.
Take it out? Or just
no, just turn off the oven.
Okay.
The flourless chocolate cake is ready. It's beeping at him. He's like, what do I do? It's beeping. No, actually, Bruno's a pretty good cook. So if he looked at it, he would know if it's cooked or not. So thank you. I will enjoy our weekend. We're going out with friends. We've got lots of good things planned. So that's nice. And my computer died last night. Fortunately, I'm so grateful for this, but I save everything to an external hard drive, because if I hadn't have had it on the hard drive, I would have been like dying right now. I still am dying, but yes, my computer's being repaired as we speak, so hopefully it survives. I'm like, my phone died just before on stage. The day before on stage, I was waiting in Apple for 12 hours. I'm like, no more technical issues, please. But anyway, hopefully it's all good now. So thank you all for being here. We'll see you on Monday. Normal time, normal place. And go check out that amazing, amazing blog hop. And if you're a wonderful customer of mine, thank you. But I would love you to save some money. So come and join. You'll save yourself a lot of money. We keep saying to ourselves, we're never going to want anything else. Whatever. Talk to the hand. I'm going to find my new catalogue. Once you get this in your hands, I'm sorry, but there is no way you're spending less than $169. So just join. I'm doing you a favour. I'm saving you a lot of money. Love you all lots. We'll see you soon. Mwah.